Okay, so tonight we are videotaping a video camera. Comes in a really nice carry bag, and it's very compact, which is nice to see. I know I don't have a lot of room to store stuff. I assume that other people are the same way. It also has a strap for the bag. Instruction manual for all of your, instructional needs on how to make this thing work for you. Cords. This is all very well packaged, and this bag is also very well padded. So they seem to have done a very good job there. This is your lithium-ion battery. Your video light, nice really bright LED light. Some more cables and cords. Microphone. And your actual camera body. Oh, and it also has a remote control. Your actual camera body is, like I said, pretty small, pretty easy to handle, which always makes me feel better when I'm handling things like this. I don't want them to be so big that I can't move. And you could go ahead, you plug your battery in right here. You have all of your mechanical, all of your buttons, all your mechanisms right here at the top for you. All in all, it's a very cool little camera.